Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Thursday, July 10th, 2025. Today, we'll cover market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, iRobot. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes closed mixed today. The Nasdaq Composite Index hit a new all-time high for the second consecutive day, gaining 19.32 to 20,630.66. The healthcare sector showed upward volatility, rising 0.62% after 3 days of gains. Market breadth was notably positive today. The Nasdaq Composite saw 1,842 advancing stocks versus 1,179 declining. The technology sector showed strong participation, with 419 advances against 244 declines. Looking at returns, the technology sector leads month-to-date with a 1.8% gain. The communication services sector has seen some weakness, down 1.5% for the month despite its very strong positive trend. Among top tech performers, Teradyne surged 6.2% to 98.62 with strong upward volatility. Advanced micro devices gained 4.1% to 144.17, extending its winning streak to 3 days with very strong positive momentum. On a week-to-date basis, Teradyne leads the group with a 6% return. On Semiconductor follows with a 5.2% gain, showing strong upward volatility over the past 7 days. Among declining tech stocks, PTC fell 7.5% to 194.59. Fortinet dropped 6.9% to 100.20, while Autodesk extended its losing streak to 4 days, falling 6.8% to 286.11. Despite today's decline, PTC maintains strong weekly gains of 10.6%. CrowdStrike fell 5.1% today but remains up over 42% year-to-date, showing significant long-term strength. Nasdaq-focused ETFs showed mixed performance. VanEck Semiconductor ETF continued its impressive run, marking its second consecutive all-time closing high at 287.52, up 2.10 points. The fund has closed higher for 3 straight days. The QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both edged lower, while maintaining very strong upward trends. Year-to-date returns highlight VanEck Semiconductor ETF's outperformance, with an 18.7% gain, significantly ahead of other Nasdaq tracking funds. The 3x bearish QQQ ETF has declined 38.3% year-to-date, reflecting the strong bullish trend in tech stocks. Month-to-date, all bullish ETFs are showing positive returns.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Apple and Alphabet both gained, with Apple rising 1.30 to 212.44 and showing a 3-day winning streak. Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta platforms all declined slightly, while maintaining very strong positive trends. Year-to-date performance shows mixed results among tech leaders. Meta Platforms leads with a 242% gain, while Microsoft is up 190%. In contrast, Apple and Alphabet are both showing negative returns for the year. Semiconductor stocks showed remarkable gains today. Sequans Communications surged 88.4% to 3.90, reaching a 1-year high. Poet Technologies jumped 14.9%, while AR Test Systems, Teradyne, and Daqo New Energy each gained over 6%. Week-to-date returns highlight Sequans Communications' exceptional performance, up 172.7%. Poet Technologies shows strong momentum with a 21.5% weekly gain. Month-to-date, Daqo New Energy has advanced 32.5%. Cloud computing leaders showed strength today. Synopsys rose 2.7% with notable volatility. ANSYS reached a 1-year high, gaining 2%, The trade desk extended its winning streak to 3 days, while PayPal maintained a strong positive trend. Month-to-date returns in cloud computing show Synopsys, leading with a 10.4% gain. Swis and the trade desk have both gained over 6.5%. Year-to-date, Synopsys leads the group with a 16.7% return. AI and robotics stocks showed significant gains. iRobot surged 12% with strong upward volatility. Teradyne and Cognex both extended winning streaks. Trimble achieved its third consecutive one-year high. Month-to-date performance in AI and robotics is led by iRobot with a 33.5% gain. Teradyne and Cognex have both gained over 9%. Year-to-date, Trimble leads with a 14.4% return. Thematic ETFs showcase strong performance today. Pacer US Cash Cows Growth ETF leads with a new all-time high at 51.11. Automation ETF and Industrial and Logistics ETF also reached new peaks, all showing very strong upward trends. Year-to-date returns highlight Robotics ETF, leading at 13.8%, followed by Automation ETF at 12.3%. Pacer US Cash Cows Growth shows strong momentum with a 3.8% month-to-date gain. Electric vehicle stocks show notable gains today. NIO leads with a 6% rise to 3.69, breaking out after 15 days of sideways movement. Tesla follows with a 4.7% gain to 309.87. Month-to-date performance shows Lucid up 10.4%, while NIO gained 7.6%. Rivian Automotive maintains 3 consecutive days of gains despite mixed negative trend signals. Quantum computing stocks show strength. TE Connectivity hits a new all-time high at 175.3, breaking out after 4 flat days. Summit Hotel Properties rises 3.5% with strong positive trend signals. Year-to-date returns highlight TE Connectivity, leading at 22.4%, followed by Applied Materials at 21.8%. IonQ shows strong momentum with a 6.9% month-to-date gain. Solar stocks demonstrate upward momentum. Canadian Solar extends its winning streak to 7 days, up 3.6% with strong volatility. Sunrun gains 3.4% amid strong positive trend signals. Month-to-date gains are impressive with Solar Edge Technologies up 35.1% and Sunrun rising 32.9%. Canadian Solar maintains strong momentum with a 27.6% increase. Among top-performing thematic ETFs, ARC Innovation ETF led gains, rising 1.6% to 73.56, marking its third consecutive up-day and a new one-year high. VanEck Semiconductor ETF achieved a new all-time high, while maintaining a very strong upward trend alongside other semiconductor funds. Looking at year-to-date performance, ARC FinTech Innovation ETF shows remarkable returns of 39.2%, while ARC Innovation ETF follows with 29.6%. The semiconductor ETFs are displaying consistent growth, with year-to-date returns ranging from 14% to 19%.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.